Hi, folks. It's Ron. Welcome to the Ron Kipper Datacom channel. Hey, folks, I really appreciate you out there watching the channel every day. And I apologize in the last year I haven't put up a ton of content. And I've been actually very busy in the last year working on Ideal's online content and all these different product pages and all these different websites you find out on the internet. And so if you happen to find an Ideal product out there someplace on the internet and it happens to have more than one product picture or a product spin or a video or a warranty or any other kind of stuff, I was responsible for putting it there. So it's been a lot of fun. I've learned a lot about how to work on all this online content and get it up to a certain speed, so to speak, so that it's useful for the people out there wanting to buy those products. But here in 2018, I'm hoping to concentrate on a little bit more on product videos and other videos, hopefully that'll be informative for you, so that'll give you something new to kind of watch. And so thanks again for watching the channel. You know, I'm closing in on 16,000 subscribers, and I still get over 100,000 views a month and over 300,000 minutes watched in a month. And I'm always kind of humbled when I look at those numbers and realize there's that many of y'all out there watching this content. So hopefully you're learning something from the content we're putting up. At least that's what we hope anyway. So, hey, again, thanks for watching the channel in 2018, and we will plan on seeing you guys on the next one.